Hello and welcome to softexpert. Today in this video we will understand how you can add Facebook pixel with your WordPress website so that you can run Facebook lead generation campaigns, sale campaigns or even conversion campaigns. So in order to connect Facebook pixel with WordPress, you can simply perform 3 steps. Number 1 is to create pixel and Facebook Ad Manager. Secondly, we will install a free plugin that will let us connect Facebook pixel. And finally, to connect it and test it whether it's working or not. By the way, you can follow the same procedure to connect a normal website like a custom coded website, Shopify, Squarespace and so on. Let's begin with the first step, that is to create a Facebook pixel. And for that, you can just go to Facebook Ad Manager. The link will be in the description as well, or you can search for it in Google. Once you are on this page, here you can go to All Tools. Here you will already find Events Manager right here, or you can see it over here. All these are linked to the same page, so just click on Events Manager. Now I have one connection here, but to show you I'll create another connection, so I'll just click on Connect Data. And here you can see connect a new data source, which can be a website, app, offline, CRM and so on. But you can see the web option is not working because we haven't created our business portfolio. For that you can just click on Create a Business Portfolio. And you will need to create a Meta account here, so just simply click on Create an Account. I'll write my business name, my name, and then an email address, and then submit. Okay, confirm your email. So we will log into our email to confirm this email. Okay, so I have this email from Facebook. I'll open it and we'll confirm now. Now we have our business profile here, so we can go to All Tools again and then Events Manager. And for the first time you will be welcome with this screen. Welcome to Events Manager. Connect your data, get actionable insights and optimize ads. So just click on Connect Data. Now all these options will work fine. So we will choose website and we'll go next. We will write a name for it. This name won't be visible to users, so you can write any name. I'll just keep the business name and we'll click Create. Now the data set has been created. We can go ahead and connect these accounts directly here, like Shopify, Pixel Your Site, WordPress, Wocommerce and all. You can go with these options or you can go with manual connection. So just switch to connect manually. Then you will get these two options. One is by Conversion API, one is Meta Pixels only. So here we will go with Conversion API, which is recommended. And also in the next video I'll show you how you can boost your sales by running sale campaigns. Okay, so let's choose this one and go next. Again, Conversion API and Meta Pixels. So here we will just click on See Instructions, which will open up these instructions, and just click on Finish. Now this is the code that we will need to add to our WordPress website. Okay, so let's copy this code and let's go to our WordPress website. And this is the website that we will be using. Let's go to its dashboard. Now there are a couple of ways to add that code in the header part of your website. You can use the theme file editor, you can use your hosting, or you can use a code plugin like WP Code, code snippets and so on. I recommend using a plugin, which is the safest way. So let's go to plugins, add new, and here search for WP Code. And this is the plugin WP Code to insert header and footer codes and custom codes. Let's install and activate it. Once you activate it, you can scroll down and you will see a new tab here, code snippets. Here you can add code snippets, or you can go to header and footer, and here you can add the header code that we just copied. Just paste the code and that's it. Click on Save Changes and Settings saved. And now our website has been connected with Facebook pixels, and now it's time to test and check the connection. For that we will be using a simple free extension. So in Google you can search for Meta Pixel Helper. You can add this extension to Chrome. If you are using Microsoft Edge, you can go to Get Extension and add it from here. And Meta Helper has been added to Edge. Now let's test it. So we'll go to our website. Let's visit it. And before testing, make sure to continue to the next step under Ads Manager, okay, which is here. So I'll just click on Continue and Advanced Matching. So here you can enable all these options, okay. And then go to Pixel Overview. Your dataset hasn't received any activity yet. Now let's check our connection. This is our website, and if I click on the extension, and you can see one pixel found on this website, and this is our pixel ID, okay, that you can confirm over here. So in this way you can add Facebook pixel to your WordPress website, and in the future you can have lead generation campaigns, sale campaigns, and conversion campaigns. I'll be running a sale campaign in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And for more WordPress videos, follow my channel. Still, if there were any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.